All right, let's just use that as our opening to our time of contemplation and meditation. Maybe just one more time. Just remember, I breathe in peace. I breathe out love. And we take time now to unite in a conscious awareness of the divine. So I invite you, if you are comfortable, to relax in your chair, maybe do a quick body scan. Shake out any tension you might be holding, your feet, your back. Take one of those beautiful conscious breaths. As we enter into this sacred activity of prayer, we focus on the sweet truth of our oneness. We are aware of the presence of love within us and around us. And so we can rest in this tranquil moment. I am at peace this very moment, heart-centered and serene. We come together in consciousness, fully aware and awake to our divine essence, which is all good. Breathing consciously, I say to my thoughts and my feelings, let there be peace. Let peace arise from within, permeating my mind and my entire being. Let there be a flow of peace replacing every anxious, worrisome thought. Let there be peace. Let there be peace in my relationships, centered in love that flows with no limits or conditions. Let me cultivate harmonious thoughts that lead me to speak and act in peace. Let me hold peace as a precious jewel, a delicate treasure. Let me be in the world, radiating kindness, compassion, with the knowing that my divine source of peace is infinite. Let's affirm, I am peace. This sacred time of prayer has quickened divine energy in us, blessing our lives and all life. Let us remind ourselves of the truth. Peace is my true nature. I have within me an infinite supply of peace, impossible to empty, always available. Peace radiates from me. Centered in peace, I broadcast peace on earth and goodwill to all. I let my circle of peace expand to bless all beings, envisioning a world where love and compassion direct every thought and action. We now prepare to bring this sacred activity to a close, renewed and refreshed, re-energized and ready to be an open channel of peace, to be an expression of kindness, harmony, and joy in every circumstance. We claim this is the truth about us, and so it is. Amen.